Welcome back from Graphicxtras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the MirrorMe plugin in Illustrator to create some interesting swatch designs using the pattern editor. Now just going to create a very basic path on the ellipse. Just going to do that, and I'm going to give it a colour, fill, set stroke. Right. Now of course I could create a pattern using this, but I'm just going to quickly use the MirrorMe tool, and I'm going to create a slightly more complicated but symmetrical design, so 14, and I'm just going to quickly create a design just as it moves around like that. Yeah, at that point apply to layer. Now maybe add slight more variation. Okay, oops, does help. So the key thing about the MirrorMe plugin is not to try and attempt to put items in these faded out areas, because if you do, it won't actually do anything. So you actually have to put it into the active area. That's what I'm just doing. I'm just going, so right, finish that design. So you've got a design there, and I'm just going to now go over to remove all layer axes. So it's actually got the design. I'm going to select the entire design there. I'm just going to reduce it down a little bit in size. That's on the screen. And now, so I've got a symmetrical design, which I'm now going to go to the object, pattern and make. Okay, and straight away you've got a fairly interesting design. Of course you can set different settings like here, hex by row, which I think makes it even more useful with the symmetrical design. So I'm just going to, at this point, save a copy. I like that one, so save a copy. Of course you can move various items around, change the pattern outside. So I'm just going to, or you could recolor things if you wish. So I'm just going to maybe make that red, move that over there. Of course that's reflected throughout the rest of the pattern. Maybe make that green, make that one green. Right, once you've done that, done. And now, of course, I'll just get rid of that pattern, design, and I'm just going to, of course, apply it quickly to design. That was the original one, and there's the other one. Right, simple, easy way of creating patterns using the MirrorMe plugin tool from Astute Graphics. Now, you can also use it within the actual thing. That's the next thing I'm just going to quickly show. So I'm just going to create another quick design and fill that with a bit of thing. Object, pattern, make. Okay. And once I've done that, just going to reduce it down so it's a bit more thing. Now I can go over to the MirrorMe plugin again, and you can actually see it creates quite a complex design. So it's probably not the best way of doing this, but you can certainly use it. Certainly with 14, maybe it's a bit extreme. So go down 7 so it's a bit more visible, and you can go over there, and I'm going to apply to layer, and going to save a copy. Okay. Okay. Done. And I'm just going to quickly get rid of that. And now go over to the patterns swatches palette again and display the design there. And there you've got so you can use it both ways. Personally, I find actually creating the patterns outside of MirrorMe much easier, and then using the pattern editor. But you can do it also within the actual pattern editor itself.